The earth is going to blast by seconds. This is 2009. A small village of Punjab. A Christian lady, Asiya Masih, blasphemed the Holy Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. Mr. President, the crowd just wanted to kill Asiya Masih, but this was youth of Pakistan who cultivated the tolerance and brought Asiya Masih to Imam al-Masjid, and then they brought her case to City Court, then High Court, then Supreme Court. Yes, Mr. President, this was the tolerance cultivated by youth of Pakistan. But the result of tolerance, no words to say, Mr. President, but again we selected the legal way and went to Supreme Court and appealed to review the case of Asiya Masih. This was youth of Pakistan, the cultivators of tolerance, the builders of nation. Yes, Mr. President. As we saw in windows of our bright history, this is Khatme-Nabuwat movement 1974. Qadianis killed 22 students at Rabwa stations. Mr. President, we were killed, we were assassinated, but we didn't do against them anything. Yes, Mr. President, but we went to Parliament and then approved and proved that our enemy is not just our enemy, but the enemy of country, the nation, the religion, the whole world. Yes, Mr. President, as we saw Chaudhry Zafrullah Khan refusing to pray janazah of the great leader Muhammad Ali Jinnah, but we stayed tolerant. As we saw Dr. Muhammad Mahmood Ahmad hurting the country in 1971, but we stayed tolerant. As we saw Dr. Abdul Salam damning on the country after achieving the Nobel Prize, but we stayed tolerant, Mr. President. We didn't do anything against them. But we started building our nation. As when we made world record, and described 5 pillars of India in just a minute. So we became Muhammad Mahmood Alam. So the nation is proud of us. Yes, Mr. President, as we became Dr. Abdul Qadir Khan and refused to work in Holland at Atomic Energy Plant, but for country. Just for country returned and announced, I am son of the soil. So the nation is proud of us. Yes, Mr. President, we are youth of Pakistan, the cultivators of tolerance, the builders of nation. Mr. President, the nation needs unity, and the unity is youth. The nation needs builders, and the builders are youth. The nation needs tolerance, and the cultivators are youth. Yes, Mr. President, when the nation needed unity, so we became Maulana Tariq Jameel, as gave the lesson of humanity and love to whole world. Mr. President, when the nation needed unity, so we became Abdul Sattar Edi, as worked for the humanity and founded world's largest ambulance network. When the nation needed humanity, so we became Fatma Jinnah, as became united with her political enemy Ayub Khan when the war began in 1965. Yes, Mr. President, when the nation needed builders, so we became Sayyid Musa Feroz, as won international mathematics championship between 66 countries, 20,000 students held in Australia, Sydney, the builders of nation. Yes, Mr. President, when the nation needed builders, so we became Sharmila Chanaye, as won Oscar award for the film A Girl Beside a River. Mr. President, we are the builders of nation. When the nation needed tolerance, so we subtracted the leader of Karachi from its own party, informing him that no matter if the blood is precious, but when the soil needs present, no matter if the unity needs patience, but when the soil needs present. Yes, Mr. President, because we are youth of Pakistan and cultivators of tolerance, the builders of nation. Thank you so much, Mohammed.